Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eTrade step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official eTrade website. Look for the Open an Account button on the home page. Click on the Open an Account button to start the registration process. You will be presented with various account options. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as individual or joint account. After choosing an account type, click on Continue. Fill out the required personal information in the registration form. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that you enter your Social Security number for identity verification. Provide your employment information, including your occupation and employer. Next, you'll need to answer several questions related to your financial situation. These may include questions about your income, net worth, and investment experience. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, click Continue to proceed. Review the terms and conditions provided by eTrade carefully. Make sure to read through any disclosures as they relate to your new account. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance of these terms. Then, click on the Continue button to move forward. Next, you will be prompted to create a username and password for your account. Choose a secure password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Once completed, click Continue to advance to the next step. You may be asked to set up security questions for account recovery. Select questions and provide answers that you can easily remember. After this, click Continue to finalize this section. eTrade may require you to verify your identity through several methods. Follow the instructions provided for identity verification, such as receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Once your identity is verified, you'll be taken to your account overview. Review all your information to ensure everything is accurate. If all details are correct, you can click Submit to complete your registration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.